Sorry, I'm still adjusting my camera. Okay. This is the latest flip through of the latest junk journal that I've made. You can see the cover. Yeah, I'm using a jelly print that I made as part of the cover, as well as some tissue paper and cotton cheesecloth as texture. We have the flowers, lace, and back, more of the texture, and then let's go through the flip through. Some Tim Holtz ephemera here. Open it. Tissue paper used to cover the inside of the spine. I hope this is all in range. The camera's a little, I'm going to adjust real quick, sorry for the bounce. Okay. So, lace, pocket, another little pocket, little flower, or sorry, not a pocket, little flower, pocket, paper clip with the doily, paper, sewn in paper, used a bunch of different stitching. This is more of an accent, it's not a belly band, but there are belly bands further up. More pockets. Pockets using postage from the mail, envelopes. Tag made out of recycled paper, handmade recycled paper. Little bead charms. Envelope, more handmade recycled paper, using pomegranate tea. Of course, a lot of the pages are coffee stained. The doilies are coffee stained. More lace. More images that I've inserted. Page regarding Audrey Hepburn. Some little interesting facts. I think I'm still too tired. I haven't had enough coffee. Stamps, pocket. This is a small little belly band that you tuck in. More pockets with blank paper. More handmade, or the other side of the handmade. This was cute. You can see using clothing pattern, and then I just formed a dress. We have another little tag. We have a belly band with some tags and sheets. More handmade paper. It's very delicate. Lace. More beaded charms. A little trifold. Some Tim Holtz tissue paper. Handmade paper. More little tags. And also these tags are from the handmade paper. They're very delicate. Envelopes, doily, handmade paper. This is coffee paper. And then attached with washi tape. And then of course this folds up, but there's another little tag. 2 envelopes that open up. Another little pocket, a doily. Oh, the doily's stuck a little bit. Pocket. Another belly band. Ask the Moon sheet music. These are from the Saturday Evening Post. Such great pictures. This is a large fold out. And all the stitching was done with my sewing machine. More handmade paper. Those pockets, tags, pocket this way. Actually, oh yeah, there we go. Handmade paper. Another little pocket, a little clip. Sheet music still on the other side of the Ask the Moon. Because all the papers are all folded in half. This is actually another belly band. You can see that. More little charms. Spots to open up for notes. Stamping. Another pocket with some paper. Canterbury Tales page. Another little clip. Saturday Evening Post. More of the Wife of Bath prologue, and there's little tucks here. You can see them. Flowers, paper. Pockets, tag. I try to use a lot more, this is handmade paper, and I'm going to be using a lot more handmade paper in future journals that I'm making. I just love it. It's makes it very unique. I do like the coffee and tea stain papers as well, but this one's a cute page. It's a flip up, flip out, and flip down. And then there's also another little tab. Okay. This is nearing the end. And there we go. Now it has a stitch binding in there. And so it's all stitched in and then it's glued in. But it opens very well, as you can see. And that's my latest junk journal. I'm going to try to get some links, I think, because I've been posting from my phone, that the links are not showing on the bottom because it doesn't let me add my links to my other sites. So I need to go on my computer and actually do that. But I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Coming soon, tutorials as I work, probably on ephemera and sewing different pages. There's a couple of other tutorials I want to work on. Now that I have a little tripod for my phone, I actually like this camera on my phone. And so, yeah, I hope everybody's having a great day. Happy holidays. And watch for the next post. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and follow along.